Introducing Club Car Tempo, a new golf car that stands out. Designed for style and comfort, with more features that feel like upgrades. Technology developed to entertain golfers, and business tools that support courses. Plus, proven engineering from the industry leader for 60 years.
Introducing the Jacobsen TR320 and TR330 triplex mowers. Designed to deliver Jacobsen's legendary quality of cut to even the most challenging terrain. Powered by a trusted and reliable Kubota diesel engine. Both TRs feature superior slope capabilities, giving your crew the maneuverability to negotiate tight or steep spaces with safety and ease.
Enhance the experience, elevate your reputation, and exceed every expectation.